Florida has what's it called? Contributory negligence. So I may hit your vehicle from the rear, but the reason that you had some of your injuries is not me having not just being able to use the rear end presumption issue, but you were not wearing a seatbelt.
You agree?
I learned from that process is if you there's a way of rebutting an affirmative defense, and I learned this from one of the great connections I had is I did an affidavit that I was wearing the seatbelt. There you go. But that's just an example. You can always overcome an affirmative defense. And by the way, my affidavit was in support of my opposition to the affirmative defense that I was not wearing my seatbelt. Like that shit, Rick? That's why I filed the affidavit. I didn't just go file some affidavit of truth. It was in support of my objection to the affirmative defense.
Oh, so it just wasn't no regular affidavit, huh?
You submitted an affidavit to support your claims.
Bro. We have to know what we're doing and why. Yeah, I think we got you situated, Georgia. I'm gonna leave this one up here and do some other research because the questions come. By the way, y'all remember from the other day, everybody should be looking up your standard, your jury instructions like this. Because y'all are seeing the jury instruction screen, right?
Yes.
Go to jury instructions. And the jury instructions will tell you what elements have to be proven or what issues have to be proven to prove whatever you want to argue. Somebody's talking about evidence too, right? Or did I already go over that? See that?
Yeah, I do see that.
Yeah. Y'all like that?
Word.
There y'all go. I can do this. If you're in Florida, this might help you. So I'll copy that for you. I have all the jury instructions, but you're in Florida, there you go. Now, hear me? What's that? No later than 15 days after the last brief or reply is due. Comply with the rule of 9.320. File electronically via. Okay, let me see if this thing is working like it's supposed to. I think I'm already here. That's not what I want to do. Yeah, I'm already on that right there. I'm not worried about that. They changed this thing. I may have to go into my other yeah, I had to go into my other I can remember what mine was. Okay, here we go. Can't show you all that because it'll give you how I get in. So let me figure that out. And then I'll show y'all how to, but this is how you can see anything that's ever been filed and how to get into it. Let me make sure I'm not on the wrong screen. In the meanwhile, I already have it on. See if I'm already in here on this. Otherwise, I got to play with this thing. Okay. Oh, by the way, for oral argument, you'll see this too when you go there. And this is remote. The fuck? Now this is interesting. So let me see something. I've never seen it where I mean I understand how you can do an oral argument remote to the individual ask. Wow. I don't know what that I don't even know why they're doing it that way, but there you can see what's coming up, but I'm like, let me see this. I've never seen it remote. I knew they did remote during what's it called? COVID. Wow. My video. Okay, I know how this works. I've never been in front. I've never been in front of any of these judges. Um, cancel. So that means could mean anything. Oh shit. What day is this? Think I'm gonna be there. Oh, I can't. It's like shit. Let me see. I'm gonna find out how to be here, how to get this link. You see that, Leon?
He put in the group chat that he's stepping away for a bit.
Okay. Y'all see that though? I mean, I want to see because otherwise I would just go there. Okay, that's interesting. And you can actually learn a lot by watching oral arguments. That's interesting. Tuesday the 19th. I gotta make sure I'm there. I'll find out if I can get my ass in there to watch that. But I don't need e-filing, opinions. But this is where I am. It actually got me sidetracked just thinking about that. Interesting what you can find out indirectly. Now I got me forgetting what I was going to show you. Oh, oral argument. So that's the process of getting on. And if you want to see what one looks like, let's see. I'll show you what a request for oral argument looks like. Just pulling them up. I gotta find. I've done them so many times now that I kind of know the process. I was going to show y'all what a request for an oral argument looks like. I didn't realize I had a video where I talked about an oral argument either. Oh, here you go. Oral argument is set. Come on, machine. But yeah, you need to make sure that you follow whatever it is. Just look for the rule. If you ever have a question, look for the rule, and the rule will direct you toward whatever it is that you need to get done. And just stay consistent with it.